Today I've got a current gen Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is also going to apply to the Grand Cherokee L because aside from being a little bit longer, the body panels are the same. Today I'm going to show you how to take this door panel off for you bottom loaders out there to remove this sweep. For this one, you're going to need a teeny tiny screwdriver or pick tool and a 10mm socket and a pry tool. Sometimes you don't need the pry tool, but it can be hard on the fingers. This one is another one for Chrysler, actually made kind of simple. So behind this door handle here, underneath it, there is a rubber piece. You just pry this up. There's a 10mm socket underneath. In here, there's another plastic trim piece with a little notch right there. You'll just stick your pry tool in there and just pry it out. Should pop right out. Another 10mm socket behind there. Once you get those two done, we'll just pop these out real quick. Now you don't need a drill for this, you can do it by hand. This just speeds it up quite a bit. So when you're doing tint and you're trying to make money, the faster you can do it, the better. Now this is basically able to take off. Everything that holds this in is just clips now. I always find it easiest to start in this lower corner because I find it the loosest. That's where you'll grab your trim tool. Just kind of put it under that plastic spot and just pry. Once you get one loose, the rest kind of come loose and you can pop them out. Once you get to this point, you'll just slide the panel up. I'll just rest it against my thigh there. There's a little plastic piece that goes under the front and rear. Nothing too major though. Just pry it up in the middle and they'll pop right out. If you find you have a hard time putting these back in, this will just pull out here, which will pull this plastic piece back so you can slip that rubber piece back in there. Being that this is a Chrysler vehicle again, you'll also need tape for this so you can tape off these side seals just to help limit any crap you get in there. Another easy one for Chrysler. The last few I've done with Chryslers have been not too bad. All in all, this is like a 1 of 5 difficulty to get this out of there.